Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to put front brakes on this 2012 Toyota Sequoia. Let's get right to it. Unfortunately, I just did a full brake job on this Toyota Sequoia. Now after getting the rotors turned, driving down the road, I felt this wobble you see right here. This vibration here only occurs under hard braking. So figuring with that, when I had the rotors turned, they must have just warped in the process. So today what I'm going to be doing is replacing the rotors again and doing a whole new front brake pads. Let me show you what I got. So when I need parts fast, I always head over to apremium.com. Apremium.com is an auto parts website that gives you absolutely anything you need for your make and model vehicle. In this particular case, I just submitted the 2012 Toyota Sequoia, found this pair of front brake rotors as well as these premium brake pads, put them in the cart, and they showed up just a few days later ready to put on the vehicle. Here's a closer look at what showed up. Everything always comes packaged super nicely. Just have a look at these rotors. Just a good quality item. Brake pads also come super nicely packaged. You can see how this comes in here with all the pins and clips needed, and both sets left and right shoes. All right, now that we went over everything you're going to need, let's get those wheels off and the old brakes disassembled. Now to remove these rear caliper bolts. Now we can swing this caliper off of the rotor and then back out of the way. So there's the caliper removed and supported by that bungee cord. And now we can remove this old rotor. And now we can go over, take out our new brake rotors, and these are already pre-oiled, so we're just going to have to hit these with some brake clean, and then we can get them installed. All right, now with this rotor in place, we can get this caliper unhung and dropped back onto place. Now from the back side, you can see we just got to line these bolts up and we can get it bolted back into place. And now you can reconnect your brake line mounting bolt. Okay, now the hard part is done. Now we can turn our attention and get these old brake shoes out of here. The brake shoes on this model are very easy, luckily, because they're drop-in models, which means you can just drop them right through this access port. All we need to do is remove this carrier pin here and here, and there's a clip right here in the back that secures all that, and it wraps through around here, and we'll be able to slide these right out. Now we can grab our new brake shoes and the hardware and reinstall through the same process. Now we can reinstall the new pins with the supplied grease. Just a closer look at how those pins go in there, the retaining clips. Now that all this is put back together, it's very important to come back and torque spec these 2 bolts to hold this caliper on, and then we can clean things up and move over to the other side. So there you have it, the front brakes are finished on the Sequoia. Now don't be like me and try to save money turning your rotors. Just go out and buy the good stuff. Go to apremium.com, get whatever you need for your vehicle. As always, I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. There it is, all put back together and outside of the garage. So now we can take it for a test run. All right, quick test run after I did the brake job. This thing is perfectly smooth now, does not squeak or squeal or anything. So when I get on the brakes, perfectly smooth, no shimmer in the steering wheel at all. So another job well done.